Am I correct? Yes! Yes, Cynthia! You are very correct! Because they were under your feet and under your fucking devil's spell. But not us. No fucking way. Not us. Mga budol channel. Fuck you all there. You're one of them now. Because it's based on my experience. Even it's wrong, even it's not true, even it's fake news, I've been on your shoe. Come on, tell me. Come on. Come on. Come on. Never. At never. At never. Because we know who the fuck are you. Susungkitin mo ako? So go on. So be it. Maski anong sabihin nyo dyan, na panlalait sa amin, so be it. We don't even fucking care. Fuck. No. Cathy 711, correct me if I'm wrong.